Hey guys, so today we are going to talk about Ywigs.com. I was sent this package earlier this week, and this company has asked me to do a review. So I haven't opened it at all. I wanted to share this with you guys and do a couple looks and have kind of some fun with it and see what we can do. So it comes in this cute little bag. I guess you can kind of use this bag for whatever, you want to use it for. Like if you're traveling, want to put some makeup in here, or you want to carry your wig in it, you can use it for that. Okay, and so it comes with a couple of headbands. This is a maroon kind of headband. And here's a animal print one. This one's kind of cute. You can wear this with like some all black. And then there's these two. So I think this one's more of a burgundy kind of color, and this one's more of a red kind of color. So we'll see. And you can get headbands, you guys know, anywhere from like the beauty supply or whatever. So it did come with a couple of different headbands for us to try. Okay, so here's the packaging. Nice little box. They've got Ywigs on there. Kind of chic. But it comes in, just a plain black box. So let's see. Ooh, we got a wig cap in here. And then this is their return or exchange policy. There's that. And then here comes the wig. Really nice packaging, tells you what it is. This one is a human hair free part wig. It is 18 inches and it's natural color. And this one is the water wave. So they do have different styles to choose from. And I chose the water wave. So this one is pretty long. Okay, so I'm going to try it on first without doing any of the enclosures or whatever. This is kind of cute. I love it. It's a look. It's a look. For me, it does look kind of wiggy on me, but I think if I like pull it back some and have some of my hair out, maybe that will make it look not so wiggy. But if I didn't, like, say if y'all didn't have no edges and you just wanted like to not have that, your edges out, you could do that. So this could be a look, but I'm gonna tighten it in the back. It's pretty tight. Like the wig cap itself is already tight, so I don't need all of the combs and stuff in it. I think that's if you don't put a wig cap underneath, but I always do. So I'm gonna close this in the back and then leave some hair out and maybe have some of my own edges. That way it'll kind of look more like my hair. So for this back pin thing, I'm gonna just put the two adjustable straps in the middle, and that way they don't like snag my hair or anything as I'm pulling it back. The good thing about this closure is that it's not real sticky. It's more plastic, so it doesn't really stick to the hair, which is very, very good, because sometimes when your hair gets stuck in those enclosures. So yeah, so here we go. And this is this is like a super quick hairstyle. Like you literally don't even have to even try to look cute. I mean, this is like a super good hairstyle for like on the go, if you're rushing, if you don't really have a whole lot of time in the mornings, busy on your way to work. This is a good old wig for that. Trying to get the hair, this back enclosure strapped to my head. Very nice and secure. Oh, and then I'm just pulling some of the hair back. This is a very wide headband part. So So I don't know that I would really want to do this and show my edges, because if I show my edges and I pull the headband part all the way back here, it makes my forehead look really, really big. So yeah, I don't know. I think if I pull it more this way, then that isn't so bad. I don't know. I think I'll have to work with it some more, but here it is. So that's the install. Literally took me maybe 1 minute to do. But I love this hair. I love the texture. It's not very, it doesn't tangle at all. I don't know if this is human hair, because it doesn't even feel like human hair. You know, human hair will normally get fuzzy, and it hasn't even done that yet. But I haven't worn it for a significant amount of time yet, so we'll see. I'll wear it probably throughout the day, and we'll just see how that goes. So here is the look with one of the headbands that was supplied. This is kind of cute, I think. I think it's a cutesy little look for you to just throw on and like go to the store. Here's the side of it. And again, this is an 18-inch wig. So it's a lot of hair, but it feels very soft, and you can't really tell. You can't really tell how heavy it is. And I think it's cute. It's a little bouncy. It's a little cutesy. Like if you had a shirt that matched this, I think it would be cute. So yeah, so there's headband number 1. So I've never really worn headbands before. So I don't really know how to style them. But I think that, so some of these little golden things have been falling off, so I will take note of that. But I think if you know how to adjust these and kind of make them your own, like maybe if I got like some little baby hairs out and kind of, I think I could kind of rock this. Now I wouldn't do these style, like this style of headband in an updo, just because this band is not as wide as say this one. Like this one is more wide, and you can kind of hide the back piece that comes together in your wig with this one. And this one is really wide. I think this one will be cute in the winter time with a little burgundy. I have a couple of little burgundy tops that you can wear this one with. So this is really cute. Yeah. So you wanna, if you want the updo, you want the wider backing headband. But I mean, this is cute. It depends on, you know, what I have on with it, how I wanna style my baby hairs or not. So yeah, so those are the headbands that it came with. Those are the, you know, specifics. If you want the actual detailed specifics, I'm gonna link them below in this video. This wig, you can get a % off with my code. I'm gonna drop my code below. But yeah, I think this is definitely a winner. I love how it's cut and layered. It is very close to my hair texture, so I am definitely gonna wear this. I'm gonna wear this throughout the day today and kind of test it out and see how I feel about it. I'm gonna take a couple videos of me just, you know, out and about during my day. And so you can see how the wig wears. So far, so good. I think this one is a definite thumbs up.